Today we are learning how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the piano. But first, here are some basics. This is middle C and this is high C. From middle C to high C, we have an octave. An octave is 8 notes. This is called a scale. The song we are playing is in the key of C, so we are warming up with the C scale. Now for the song! Each of your fingers plays a different key. Your thumb plays C, your pointer finger plays D, your middle finger plays E, your ring finger plays F, and your pinky finger plays G and A. To reach A, it will need to stretch up just a little bit. Ta-da! Now you can play the song. Now that you know how to play the song, you can add something really cool. If you have a real piano, it will typically have 3 pedals. Use the one on the right. If you use a keyboard, then there's only 1 pedal. If you listen to the sounds the notes make, you hear a ringing. This is what the song sounds like with the pedal. Now the last thing to do is add the lyrics.